Hey, what's up guys, it's Vimasik Tech and this is JBL Pure Bass T200A, one of the best low budget earphones with mic. I have purchased it from Flipkart of rupees only 698, but it cost me rupees 599 plus 99 of one day delivery charge, so I pay extra. So but that is available only for sale at very low cost, but its actual price is rupees 989. So there are some barcodes on the package. The packaging is good, and you can see on the downside the price is listed here 1999, but its actual cost on Amazon is rupees 989. So it's one of the best earphone because they are mic available also, and I don't know there are extra earbuds or pouch available with that because they are not listed on the Amazon website. So I'm going to unboxing it today. So let's unboxing this, the best low budget earphones, and the sound quality of JBL is very great, and also the Sennheiser and Sound Magic. So I will test JBL earphones today. So the packaging is good enough and it's looking so cool. So let's open from the downside. Okay, so we are getting extra earbuds. That's very nice and cool thing. We are getting a 2 pair of earbuds of different sizes according to our ear holes. We can adjust according to we want, as they are the earbuds also on the earphones. So there are 3 pairs of earbuds. That's very nice thing. So next thing is the pouch. Okay, that's very cool thing. We get a pouch also. So they are not listed on the Amazon website, but we are getting it and smells nice. So I want this pouch also. So that's a cool thing that we are getting a pouch and earbuds extra also, and nothing we want more. So they are the earphones, and I see a booklet manual also. Let's take it out, see what's it. Okay, there are some manuals and guidelines are listed there in different languages, so just leave that, no one cares it. And I think where can I pull out the earphones? So I have to pair this because I'm very excited for my new earphones, so I'm just crushing all the things. Okay, just let's take out the wire. The wire is too long and too strong, flexible, and there are less chances for breakable. So we are getting these things: earbuds, earphones, pouch, manual. So let's take the earphones out and see the build quality and everything else, the mic and everything. So here is the mic. Okay, and here are the earphones. So how can I pull it out? It's too difficult, I think so. So I have to remove the earbuds from top of it, and then can I remove them? So let's remove the earbud first. So let's remove the earbud, and from the second one also, but for the first one, and take it out. Yeah, it's very easy now. Actually, why the package is so much hard, I don't know, but we get this one. So you can see that there are some small ports from which the sound comes out, and their JBL logo, and it is a flexible rubber. It's not a plastic, it's a flexible rubber. Okay, that's very cool thing because there were less chances for the breakage of these earphones. So let's insert them again. Okay, I have inserted the earbuds. It's quite difficult. Okay, so these are the earbuds we are getting of different sizes, I've already told you, and these earphones are of grey and red color. So this is the divider of the 2 earphones. Some people are thinking that it's a mic, but it's not a mic. That's a mic. It's a plastic one, and a key also we can press it to change the song we want to change. And there's the mic, and there's some small holes, and that's the mic. So the wire is too long, and it is a 3.5mm, and we can insert it in our mobile device or anything we want which it supports. So I will test the sound quality of the earphone. I will test you more in the review video. So that's it. If you like this video, you should leave a thumbs up down below, and if you want to watch more videos about these earphones, you should subscribe this channel, and don't forget to comment in the comment box. So if you want to know anything about this earphone, that's it. I will catch you guys in my next one.